What's up, everybody? We're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. I did not know that my mannequin head was going to be the main focus of this video. So it is out of focus in this first part. So please forgive me, but I promise you the quality is still there. This is still a good tutorial. I just took off my old wig. No, I did not rip it off the white meat. I promise you I took it off the right way. I'm actually wiping the excess oils off that I used to take the wig off with. I like to make sure mine is secure. So I had to go in with oil to get her off. Then I'm going to go in with a toner to get off the excess glue that forehead is glistening to remove some of that extra shine from that oil. And then I'm just going to brush my little baby hairs back. I'm going to brush my hair back and prepare it to put on this wig. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I don't even know which wig this is. This year, I've been getting a lot of wigs. So I can't even drop it in, like the comments or the description box for you, because I really don't know where this wig came from. I just knew I had a wig. This is a 7x5 closure wig. Also too, you just saw me put on a protectant, and if you're not putting on a protectant, you clearly haven't been watching my channel, because I tell you, anytime you put on a wig, do not forget to put on a protective layer before you put any glue or anything on your forehead or your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. Honestly, this wig, I wish I really did have the details on this. I'm gonna go back and try to find it. It may be on my channel that I have it, but who's to say that that's the right wig? I have no idea. I just got closets and daggone drawers and cabinets full of wigs galore. I should have did a better job at maintaining them, but it is what it is. So I washed this wig, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and place her on my head, make sure that she is in the right spot. I don't know what the heck I did with this wig before and why the hairline looked the way it looked, but yeah, we're gonna get this together, because this hairline is kind of all over the place. I don't really understand. You can tell by my face, I'm like, what the heck is going on? But I'm just cleaning off something, because I think I had like black hair gel or mascara or something, from a wig, just to make sure I'm like making sure my parts and stuff are clean in my actual hair. So it started coming off on the lace. So that's what you just saw me do. You just saw me clean it. So I am taking my hot comb and I am pushing that hairline back. Well, let me not say pushing it back, because pushing it back sounds real bad. I am laying down the hair so I can get a better idea of what I'm working with here. And then I'm going to go in with the Bold Hold Lace Glue. Now I know some of y'all can be like, Bold Hold, that's horrible. Okay, for some people, not everybody. If you're allergic to it, don't use it. If it doesn't work for you, don't use it. If you just don't like it, don't use it. However, I have not had a problem with Bold Hold Lace Glue. Okay, especially if you use a skin protector. I know some people were like, oh, if you use that glue, it's gonna burn your skin off. It ain't good for your skin. Baby, if you put anything in the raw on your skin, it's not good for your skin. If you out here just spraying got to be glue spray on your skin like it's a daggone face primer, talking about some I'm good, baby girl, no, you're not. It's eating at your face right now. So if you're not putting on a skin protectant, don't come at me for using Bold Hold. So anyway, I went ahead and I parted the hair, because I wanted to side part Bobbiana. I don't know why I do this. Like in the summertime, I want my inches, which is backwards because my neck be hot. But then like in the fall, I be wanting a bob, which I mean is doable, because fall weather is good. But then in the winter, I keep that bob and I'll be like, girl, your neck is cold now. Why are you backwards like this? But I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put on that glue. Yes, I do not wear a daggone ball cap, because personally, ball caps slide back before the actual wig does. And that's what be snatching edges out. So I stopped using it. I haven't used it for almost a year now. And actually on my channel, I think that is like the highest viewed video on my channel, is actually installing a wig without a ball cap. And to me, it looks way better. And clearly to y'all, it looks way better. So no, I'm not using a ball cap. But I am going to go in with the lace glue, and I'm going to do 2 layers. Some people use 3. I used to use 3, but I'm only using 2 now, because I also go in with a spray that helps melt the lace. And for me, that hold lasts at least like 2 weeks at the most, maybe 2.5. Like I really be having to tug at my hair. Like I could do a distress pull. I could do like, a stress pull or whatever the heck you want to call it. And it's not going to move, baby. If you try to rip that thing off my head, if we were scrapping, you was probably going to take my head off my neck. So we make sure she's laid on there. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking a comb and I'm laying this lace into the glue. Also a tip for most people that don't know, if you're having a problem with like your lace not adhering to the glue, or it's sliding back while you're wearing it, it's because your lace glue was not dried down enough yet, I should say, or maybe tacky enough. So one thing that you should do, like if you're using Bold Hold or even a Ghost Bond or any wig glue for that matter, wait till it gets a little tacky. And most of the time, if it's white glue, wait till it gets kind of clear before you either lay the lace or apply your next layer of glue, because when it's clear, that's how you know it's ready for the lace to be laid down. If you try to lay it down while the glue is white, it's first of all, it's going to take longer for your lace to melt. It's going to be a mess. It's just, your wig's probably going to slide. Make sure that the glue is clear before you put it on. So one thing I like to do too, just to reassure that lace really melting, I take the comb teeth, or the teeth of the comb, and I stab it into the lace, into my skin, so that way it's really, really pressed down in there. I also sometimes take like the back end of the comb and I'll like smooth it out, but also I'll take my wig band and I'll tie it down, because sometimes with like the elastic bands, they're not tight enough to my liking with just the Velcro on the back. So I'll tie it and then I'll put the Velcro together just to keep it reinforced so that it doesn't untie. Yeah, so I'm just going to take my wax stick now. I think this is by like Style Factor, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay the hairs down. I'm going to split my hair where the long side of the hair is going to be, and I'm going to put some, it's not glue, what the heck, are you just said it, the wax inside the hair, so when I run the hot comb through it, it's going to lay all the hairs down, because I didn't want no humps, lumps, and bumps in my hair. So like I said, now that I got this in there, I'm just going to start. So I'm not gonna lie, you might even see me jump frame to frame, only because for whatever reason my camera was not charged, and I was like, I don't want to give like a video that's not like cohesive or makes sense. So it kind of does jump, but in a way that's like, girl, it's perfect. Like, you save time, like you don't gotta worry about it being too long. And then honestly, when I was looking back at this video just now, like looking at this side part with this hair, this is the 7x5 closure again, I was like, dang, this side part with this black hair kind of cute. Maybe you shouldn't have cut it. Ooh, too late. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm probably gonna buy another long wig just for the winter, because I mean, why not? But I think I'm gonna change the color up, because black's kind of boring to me now. I know some girls be like, girl, black is a staple. Yeah, but I've been told that I got like a signature color, and I'm probably gonna wear it again. So I'm just gonna take my shears, and these aren't like no meat cutters, like this ain't no just arts and craft cutters, because I don't want to butcher my hair. These are actual like salon grade shears. I actually went to beauty school briefly, and that's where I got them from. These are amazing. I love these. No, I did not stay long enough to actually do the cutting part, but I passed everything else as far as hairstyling, coloring. Oh Lord, what else did I use? What else did I do? I did so much. Like the only things that I did not complete was the makeup, the nails, and the hair cutting, but I did everything else. But in makeup, if you're on my channel, you know I really don't need beauty school for makeup. I don't. So I'm just gonna go on with my shears, like I said, and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting. I did end up cutting it a little bit short on the side, because I wanted my long side, like the side where my part is, I wanted that to be a little bit longer. So I did cut it a little bit shorter. And then you're gonna see my honey come into frame eventually, because I needed his help. Once I got majority of the hair off, I just wanted to make sure it was even, because I didn't want to look like what the F. So he does come in and he does help me get it together. But right now I'm just configuring the shape that I actually want. Like, I'm trying to make sure like the blueprint, the outline is like where I'm trying to go, because right now you can see like the stair steps in the hair, and it's like, girl, what the heck, you chopped up this hair? Baby, I'm not. It's a blueprint. Just trust the process. I promise you, it's not gonna look choppy. It's not gonna look crazy. You can probably see his legs in the background right now. Yep, there you go. So he's just gonna come in and he's going to help me make sure everything is even in the back. Also, too, look at how smooth and shiny that is. I did wash this hair, because obviously, like, you know, before you put a wig on, you need to make sure it's clean, because if you just taking off your wigs and then storing them in a daggone closet for 8 years and then taking them back out and just popping them in the head, girl, first of all, it might be a spider's nest in there. 2, you probably look like the wind beat you the heck up. 3, it's not gonna melt the way you really want it to. It's gonna look like a dirty wig. So no, make sure you are washing that wig, sis. Okay, wash the wig. Yeah, so now he's just helping me cut. I'm just trying to make sure that, you know, everything is leveled out nice and easy before I go in. Also, while the hair was wet, which I didn't show you guys after I blow dried it, I actually put some chai, however you want to pronounce it. I really don't know. If somebody knows, let me know if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Is it chi like CHEE, or is it chai like CHY, like that? Not child, but like chai, like I said, CHY. Let me know in the comments. But yes, I put that in the hair and then I blow dried it. And then after I did that, you guys didn't see this because I just didn't feel like it was really necessary to show on camera, because all I did was flat iron it. I actually went ahead and I flat ironed it off camera, which you see here, because the Bobbiana is going to move. We don't got to worry about nothing stiff, because if I go left and she stayed to the right, you ain't got to worry about that, because that's not what's happening. We didn't do that, okay? So this is me taking off the lace right now. It looks a little crazy on the side because I had it on for a while, considering that my camera had died again. So I had to sit and wait. So I was like, you know, that's cool. We'll just wait with the melting process. It's okay. Whatever. So I went ahead and I'm combing it out now. And then I'm just making sure I remove the extra hair. I was trying to decide whether or not I wanted like that little cute side swoop right there. But lately, I mean like for the past maybe like 5 or 6 months, I have not been feeling baby hairs with like lace fronts. Like I just feel like that was an era and it was super duper cute, but that's just too much to maintain while you're wearing a lace, and the lace itself is already a lot to maintain. So I was just like, you know, okay, let me see if I like it, and then if I do, I'll keep it. But honestly, I don't think I ended up keeping it. I kind of just tested it out real quick to see if I did. It was cute or whatever, but then I was like, no. Also too, this edge control brush. So if you know Red by Kiss sent me a lot of goodies, which I did not show in this video, but the edge brush that I'm using, when you take off the top, it actually has edge control in it. And I was like, where was this at when I was in high school, and even like my sophomore and freshman year in college? Because baby, this would have saved my life outside wearing these wigs, baby. Like, you mean I got edge control on the go with my edge brush? Baby, that was the smartest thing you could do. The smartest. I have another edge brush and it has a wax stick in it. And then I have another edge brush, and it's all by Red by Kiss, of course, that has like the little wand in there. So like if you're trying to clean up your part and you just need to make sure like if you bleach the knots and a little bit of bleach got on the hair and you need to spray it down, like I have that too, like just to clean it up. Like everything like came out tea. Like I was just like, oh, okay, you know, this is cute, I like this. And as you can see, the Bobbiana move, baby, it moved. I didn't, like I said, go back and I was like, nah, I'm not really feeling the baby hairs. I'm grown now. I don't really care for it. Maybe for another look, but not this one. I just wanted to get real, like, you know, just cutesy with it. And that's what it gave. Also, I just started yanking off some of the hairs that were just extra and in my way, because I was just like, this ain't supposed to be right here. I don't like that. Oh, another thing about a 7x5 closure wig, though, you got to work with it because it may not reach all the way to the sides. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Like I really did that. Like this Bobbiana came out super duper cute. I did not do my makeup because I didn't feel like it. I'm not going nowhere, so what's the point? I'm chilling in the house. The freak I look like. I know some girls like to get dressed up, baby. I ain't got nowhere to go. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.